This is a shakshuka. Basically it's onion, tomatoes, peppers, red pepper, green pepper, any colour pepper you've got in the store cupboard. Season it and then add a little bit of chilli to it. You can use fresh chilli or dried chilli. And then once it's all softened, you then add your egg. Crack your egg onto it. It's a great breakfast idea. Originated in the Middle East and in Israel, and it's spicy. So it's the addition of the chilli. You can add garlic to it. The more eggs you add, you can make this for up to sort of 8 people if you've got a big enough dish. So you just keep adding the eggs, and then you just leave the eggs to set. And where it's different to a Mediterranean bake, it's just the fact it's got more spice in it. Try adding things like white beans or kidney beans to it, or kale, anything that's hearty and nutritious. And if you want it to cook quickly, just pop a lid onto it. So I'm a big fan of gadgets. Anything to make life easier in the kitchen.